everyone, welcome to the DIY Electric. My name is Gautam and I love to make electronic projects. So today in this video we are going to open this keypad mobile phone and extract some important electronic components from this mobile. I want to say that this mobile is dead, but the components inside this mobile from which it is made from is not dead. So we can use it further to make other electronic projects. So we are going to open this mobile phone. It's interesting to open it and extract electronic components. So let's start this video. If you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe to connect with us and to support us. So let's start this video. So these are the components which we got from this mobile phone, and these components can be used for making various electronic projects. So this is the PCB board where many LEDs are integrated in this, and we can extract it by heating with heat gun. And this is the waste part of this mobile phone, but this battery can be used for making project further. And this display can also be used to make a project that we will make more project using these components in further videos. So do subscribe our channel. And we also got a mini camera like this, and this can also be used as a mini camera. We have no circuit board for this, but we will can use it further to make a electronic project. And this is the smallest vibrator motor. This is also can be used for making projects for fun purpose. This motor is the best part out of all. And further we have this screen of this mobile part, which is very useful to make projects. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel, and stay connected with us for the upcoming videos.